Birdo, I'm coming. Where are you, Birdo? Oh, hi. I'm coming. Let's go on the way to Subway. I'm coming, Birdo. Birdo, where are you? Birdo! Where's Birdo? Oh no, where's Birdo? She's missing. No, I'll tell the mom this is gonna be. Hey sir, have you seen Birdo? I think Birdo's riding in the subway safety. Oh, thank you. Alright, where's the subway? I found the subway. Where is she? Let's go inside. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Bye. Where's Birdo? Huh? Birdo, where are you? Huh? Where are you? Oh! What are you doing here? I'm just kidding. Hi, Birdo. What are you doing here? Be safe in the subway. I found you, Birdo. Well, you found me. Really, thank you.